Yeah, hello, yes. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes and I'm the co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. You know how we do it over here. We talk about how to make money online. Yeah. So recently I've been doing videos about Neptune Network to my friends, my viewers and things, and people have been joining my mentorship. So you see, this the Neptune money I've been earning every day. So we have the not released and release. So if you don't have the released, please, I'm not saying that you have to invest. Don't invest anything. But if you have the release quenched, please just convert 10 USDT and participate in a defa trade if you are not yet in a defa trade. But if you are new to this and don't have any release coins, please don't don't deposit anything. It's not safe. I'll not advise you to do that. But if you have release coins and you haven't participated in defa trade, please just convert 10 USDT and what and participate in a defa trade, because right now I'm using that if you're trying to withdraw USDT, it's not working, and I've already shown you a way to what to withdraw. But people have been asking me that how can they rebound? So that's what I'm about to do right now. So you just have to what you see right now the NT coin is going up, and it seems that what Neptune have been telling us is true, because they said that they want to stay low so that the NCA will get value, and September they'll blah 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 blah. Is that thing? Yeah. So I'm here to show you how you can what you can rebound your authenticator. So first of all, go to your backup private key. Backup private key. Yeah, go there. Click on it, enter your password and your authenticator and everything, and what copy your backup key somewhere safe. So you just have to what enter your password and your Google verification code. That's the authenticator code. Yeah. And after you do everything, you just have to copy everything. So if you don't know, go to the indicator. That's how it is. So you can go to, like, if you have withdrawn money from the platform before, that means you're already familiar with this thing. Yeah. So just click on it, see the code, enter the code over there, and copy your backup private key. So when you copy your private key, everything finish. You see that private key, go copy it, or you can screenshot it somewhere safe. If you delete the app without the private key, you may end up losing your fund. Then you go to your settings. Then you go to your apps. So the apps, you search for the Neptune Network new one. I have two Neptune Network on my phone. So let's search. So I said I have two on my phone. Yeah. So the old one, let's like me I have two. So I've already the old one. Just click on the old one, the old one on your phone. Then you clear caches and everything. So you go to your storage, clear data, clear caches, clear everything. But please make sure that you have already what saved your passkey. Then you uninstall it. So after uninstalling it, then you open your browser. Then you go to Neptune.bet. You go to Neptune.bet. So you go to Neptune.bet. Then you download the new version. So just click on it and download the new version. So you just click on the download for Android. The download for Android. You see? Yeah. So click on it and you download for Android. So you will open it and they'll tell you to what? Rebound your Google Authenticator and add your passkey, and that's it. So after that, you open. Let me open the old one for you to see. The old one. This is it. You can't do anything because you can't have two Neptune Network on the same phone, just one. Yeah. So when you open this, then you rebound the Google Authenticator and the private key. You see that thing. So after that, you can withdraw your money into your TRX. So have you seen the Google capture? That's the same as what the authenticator bounding. You see. So after that, you go to your home, go to exchange, then you can exchange your money. But don't exchange it to USDT. That's no. Exchange it to what? TRX. That's strong. Exchange it to TRX. That's strong. You see? Yeah. So me, I'm still waiting for the value to go up, so I will not exchange. So people are saying that why should you exchange it? No, Charlie, didn't you hear? They say the coin will go out to what? $1. So should I exchange it? No, but I've changed some for you to see. Then you go to your Tron and you paste your address that you want to receive the money in, and you enter the amount you want to withdraw. Then you go to what? Next step and enter your Google Authenticator code, and you will withdraw your money. You withdraw your money. Yeah, me, I've withdrawn one for you to see, and I'm not withdrawing it again. Cause they say the value will go up. So people tell him that you have to withdraw for to see, blah blah. I'm not withdrawing anything. So you can just pay attention to it and do it. Or don't want to listen. I'm cool. I said before you do all this thing, make sure that you copy your private key first. Make sure you copy your private key first. If you delete or uninstall the app without a private key, you may end up losing your fund. I'm repeating this again. If you don't copy your private key or screenshot it somewhere and you uninstall this app, you may end up losing all your fund. Yeah. So you can see that the defa I've participated just 10 USDT and I've aimed 2.575. Yeah. That's why I said that. Because me, I was an ambassador, so I've been receiving a lot of release coins from people under me. Is that thing? Yeah. And they say if you're an ambassador or a affiliate marketer and you don't do this and do that, you don't participate in the defa trade, you may end up losing your money. So if you're like me and you are not in the defa trade yet, just convert 10 USDT and participate in defa trade. Just participate in the defa trade, and let's wait for the September 12th so that we